Hey guys, Mr. Light is here with Sheep, Dog and Wolf. Are you guys ready? It's the next level. I think technically we're halfway through now. So, we need to go through here. And we arrive. So this was the previous level. Yep, fully completed. Next level, level 9. Oh boy, this one I'll admit's a bit tricky, but I figured out how to do it. Takes a bit of doing, but it's not as difficult once you figure it out. Okay, there's also quite a few bombs around. Oh dear. Okay, Sam's there. The goal is above him. Oh, that's going to be interesting. Oh, yes, he set up a trap there. Those lettuces are in fact a trap for us. Well, we'll see about that. So, first off, classic mine. I'd like to take it, please. Okay, that's no problem. There we go, we take the mine. This one though, yep. You gotta be careful of these ones. Okay, that's no problem. There we go. Now we jump to here. Then jump to this one and get blown up because I didn't time it right. Alright, matey. Oh, flip, flip, flip. Let's try this again. The first bit of this can be a bit challenging. Okay, we take this. We'll avoid that one. Okay, good. We got to this one now. Okay, we're doing it. There you go, take the mine. Oh, okay, that's a different one. Now, this one here. Be very careful here. Quickly. That was close. So, we get something here, which is the band. Okay. Now, clock over there. This part is actually a bit tricky. The idea is, here, you need to double jump and then straight away. I literally mean as soon as you can touch the plank. Okay, I actually missed it then. Now, I can do this. I have already pulled it off. Okay, I didn't time that right at all. You gotta be pretty clever with this one. Okay, didn't time that right. I think what I gotta do, because I'm mashing the button as I fly, as I jump, so don't do that. Okay, that didn't work. You gotta time it, that's the thing. Time it so that when your feet touch the plank, jump. So I gotta say, yeah, it seems like there's only a certain position on the plank that you can jump from. Because it seems that's the tricky bit, is actually doing that. I'm sorry if this takes most of the episode. Just me constantly trying to get this flipping clock. Okay. Just after the crack. That's where you can jump from. Well, I thought you can, it's just the fact that I failed that. Okay, try that again. Darn it, I timed it wrong. Okay, try it again. Darn it, didn't time that right at all. Alright, let's try this again. I will get this, trust me. Oh, didn't time it right again. But I can spot him landing on the plank before it breaks, so... Oh, I almost had it then. Bit more and he could have done it. Ah, completely missed the plank. Don't worry, we'll get the sheep catching just as soon as there we go. Wow, that was thankful. Oh, we actually got back. That's a laugh. So anyway, now we've done that, we can get to work on getting ourselves a sheep. First off, we might as well get this bomb here. Okay, let's do it. There we go, we take the bomb. Now, this part was, I actually got a bit stuck here, but I figured it out. Notice there's a crocodile or alligator down there. You want to grip this with, wasn't quick enough. Yeah, what you want to do, get the elastic band, attach it. Come on, make it. Then, there we go, we've ordered it, and we don't need to worry about the alligator now. So now what you want to do is go to this one, place it here, and we got ourselves a remote control. Stupid camera. Hurry, go down here. Daffy Duck is here.
Oh, this is just great. Duck hunting season again. Good thing I'm wearing this Robin Hood disguise, so those pesky hunters won't find me.
Funny you say hunters. Do you see this, here? Yeah, there's someone in there. Right, that's for the remote control. So, what we want to do is get the remote control and activate it. This activates the blue and robots. So we go up here, then we want to go this side, deactivate it, then jump, then activate it again, so that the robot goes on this and deactivates, step on this and use again. The robot can order for us. Now let's just get flipping guy down here. Okay, we're doing it. Very good, that's what I needed. The robot is going to be important for something. So now we've done that, we can get rid of it, and we get... That is a rabbit costume. So now we look like Bugs Bunny.
Oh, sure. Wherever I am, the rabbit has to show up. Well, so long as Bugs is here, I might as well have some fun. I hereby declare it to be rabbit season. Let the hunt begin.
Uh-oh. Yep, he means business. He flips the side to show it's a rabbit. And now Elmer Fudd, of all people, come out of the hideout. That trunk there. And yeah, that's what his bullets do. Anyways, so Elmer Fudd is now wandering around here. We want to turn this to a duck, and we want to place this in front.
Shh, be very, very quiet. I'm duck hunting.
Go figure. So now what do? We change us to Bugs Bunny, and the idiot Daffy Duck explodes. Sorry Daffy, but it's our business here. Right, what we want to do now is go this side. There we go, we are now here. Now we want to activate the remote control. This is why you need the robot again. Take this robot, try to pick these up. So while that guy's doing that, I'm gonna nick a sheep. And place the sheep by here. Sam then comes back, and what I gotta do now is change into Bugs, because he won't go after us as Bugs Bunny. I honestly don't get it. Guess he's okay with rabbits. Okay, get up there. Up. Oh no, oh no! Oh, this is gonna hurt. Ow. Oh. Okay, he's moved the sheep back. You annoying pest, you. Okay, let's get Bugs. And I fell into the water again. I am not doing a good job here. Okay. Let's try that again. What am I doing? Okay, get the robots. Robots! Do your job! What? Oh, it's because he can see us there. Okay, that's amusing. Get into the rabbit suit. Careful of the water. There we go. Then take off the disguise. Let's try this again, robots. Okay, we'll now take it. We'll take this sheep here. There we go. Now that the sheep's in place, back we go over here. Then get rid of our disguise. And this time, don't flipping mess this up. There we go. Go to the tree. You can probably guess what we gotta do here. Tie this. Pick up the sheep, and up we go. We put the sheep down, we untie ourselves, grab the sheep, and we have successfully stolen another sheep. That one was very interesting, I'll say. That was messing around with Daffy at the same time, which is always amusing. So that was pretty awesome. So, yeah, that's that done. We now have 7 sheep left to collect. Pretty good for us, I do say so say. The next level's open. We'll be doing that next video. So thank you all, and next time we have yet another sheep to steal.
You're unstoppable!
You bet I am. See you guys next video.